Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's update, we are going to talk about Cpen. And Cpen, they've done their allocation, their distribution of allocation have closed. So, and they promise us they are going to be listing on April. Here now, the confirmation of their listing is out. And Cpen, if you check their official Twitter page, you can see it said BitMart is striving to announce the primary listing of Cpen network. So if you scroll down, you see, if you check their official page now, then you see trading pair, which is Cpen slash USDT. The depositing is available now. The trading is going to take place. That is the listening date on the 10th April 2025 at 3 o'clock p.m. UTC. And in Nigeria time, it's almost 4 o'clock. So this is their official page. Cpen has promised us that they are going to be listening on April and really announce their date of their listening. And then I think today is 5th, so we have 5 days remaining for the listening of Cpen network.